Welcome to section 1 of Basics of Human Face.
In today's session, let's learn how to draw this eye. Is it looking difficult? Absolutely not. When I break down into simple components, it is easy. Now let's start how to draw this eye. Now just focus on this part. What can you see? Eyelids, eyeball, and eyelashes. And above them, there is eyebrow. What do we do next? First, we'll draw the eyelids. As you can see, I'm trying to draw a bridge here. A bridge which has arch in the shape of dome. Usually bridges are constructed upon the river and there will be reflection of the bridge. Does this look similar to that? Exactly. So choose 2 points, point A, point B, whatever you want to name. Draw an imaginary line which connects 2 points. This is made such that it will be easy for beginners. So if you are an expert, no need of all this imaginary line. Now draw the dome, arch of the bridge. Consider the exact same thing and draw the reflection. This looks similar now. Something's missing. The eyelids. This is the eyelid, upper eyelid. If it goes wrong, just try to redo it. And we have the lower eyelid. As you can see, the upper eyelid is a bit more in width than when compared to the lower eyelid. So once you are done with this, draw a circle, an imaginary circle, and there is a bit more gap. So let's work on this. Yeah. Another circle. It's cool now. And choose a center point of your circle. If you use a compass for drawing this, there will be a center point. Draw another concentric circle here. Shade the concentric circle. And next job, draw a rectangle. Another imaginary rectangle, but within this limit, inside the circle. And a triangle. As you can see, I have drawn a triangle. So the components are the rectangle, the triangle, and the crimson shaped moon, or the half moon, whatever you want to call. Erase the imaginary line before you begin. Draw a crimson shaped moon or a half moon. Erase other imaginary lines. Now start shading. Fill in dark colors. If you are using the pencil, make sure you sharpen it. The pencil lead should be sharp so that you will get the finer details, and when you are using blunt pencil, it should be for the purpose of shading. Now I'm almost done shading. There we are. Now it looks somewhat similar, and to get the proper thing, make sure your central concentric circle should be dark enough. This part, as I'm using marker, it might not be that possible to make this dark enough. Now let's focus on the remaining part. There is this part, vestibule. I'm gonna draw a small circle and arc. Here is the inward and connect this again. make sure you darken the upper lid and slightly extend. Now let's focus on eyebrows. Eyebrows are simple. The components of eyebrows are a rectangle and an oblique triangle. So start with a rectangle right above the eye and an oblique triangle. So both look similar now. Next part is draw parallel lines obliquely within the rectangle and continue doing the same thing even inside the triangle. And this point should be the point of reference for the eyebrow. Once you are done, draw U. So if this is your eyebrow, draw U. And extend again. So there we are. The only part left now is the eyelashes. How do we do the eyelashes? Simple. Imagine this is the eyebrow. Sorry, the eyelid, the upper eyelid. Draw U. Now extend. Simple, isn't it? Now I'll do the same thing here. I'm directly skipping the step of drawing U. You can do the exact way I demonstrated in here. As you can see, after you get that one line, draw 2-3 lines and make it converge at this point. So there we go. That would make it look more realistic. And what else is remaining? The eyelashes on the lower eyelid. And to this, imagine this is the eye and this is the lower eyelid. Start from the mid of the eyelid, not from the corner, the way we drew the upper eyelashes, from mid of the eye. The eyelashes will look something like this, and this should be not that numerous. The eyelashes hairs are not that numerous and compared to the upper eyelashes hairs. Once you are done, here is the other lines and form a proper outline of the eyebrow, because the boundaries of eyeball are very well defined. And there you are, the exact copy of eye. Once you get this, make sure you get both the eyes right when you are trying to draw a face. This is a common mistake which happens to most of the beginners. In the next video, let's see how to draw 2 eyes at a time. And please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.